Hi guys, today I am going to be doing a slime skit.
This car right here. I'm loving this new car right here, bro.
Let's get into the video. So the first thing this girl will do is a rainbow giant slime.
Oh yeah. Well, this is the second baby right here.
I don't have
second
one.
baby right here.
I'm going to unbox her and tell her. I don't have a giant.
That thing lit, man. That thing lit right there, bro. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? This that KSG way car right here.
She said, well, I want a giant
KSG
slime.
way, you know what I'm saying? Gang.
I'm just going to give her this little rainbow slime. It's a good slime, so she should appreciate it. Next, she wanted a giant pink slime. I had this slime, but it's not giant. But I wiped it up to the tops because I know somebody it was giant, but I took some of this. I took some of the slime out. And there's a little. So guys, we will be back later. Like,
damn, bro, yo, you was just trying to take a picture. No, blood.
so,
Alright, yo, let me get in my car, though. Yeah, boys, meet me by the beach, man. Where y'all at? Hold on, let me get in my car right quick, man. Yo, y'all boys, meet me by the beach. Meet me by the beach, cuz. Hey, meet me by the beach right quick.
so how I go.
Oh my God, yo, we already crashed, bruh.
I just ordered some slime, and it just came. We ordered it a week ago, but it just came. So first, I guess this is my rainbow slime. She already mixed it all. But I like these instructions.
Y'all boys can't drive out here, man.
Okay, we're gonna
Hey,
keep
yo,
this
you know what?
away.
We're gonna do like some crazy missions and stuff like that today. Hey, come to something.
We're gonna go pick up
June 7th. I'm gonna be out there. June 7th, man. Everybody ready for the summer, man. Yo,
you know the old man.
Should be my giant slime.
Yo, I'm telling you, man.
Giant.
Hey, you never know. After
What?
we live stream, I'm gonna chill
You
with my
guys
girls and
know,
stuff like that.
it's not
Then
even
after that,
giant.
you know what I mean?
Only
Tomorrow,
the edges
you know
are
what?
like
Tomorrow
that.
we're gonna live stream Fortnite. So to all my Fortnite people, bro, hey,
She's
we're gonna turn up, dog. We're
cute.
gonna play
She did not tell
Fortnite
me
tomorrow.
she did.
We're gonna play
A
Fortnite, you know what I
giant
mean?
pink
We
slime.
back on the live streams, guys. We ain't sleeping. Ooh, I like the red one.
But
The
this
red one's going
one
hard,
is
bro.
good.
I feel you, though.
She gave me some very good slime. But this one ripped.
Nah,
It stretches.
I can't believe this, bro.
Rips.
I didn't even know the blood leader died, bro.
But I like
talk.
it.
Alright, now we got the sniper, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it, bro.
I'm gonna inbox her
Want me
back.
to tell her to come
It's about
out?
to go down. Nobody is alive. Yo, nobody's staying alive,
You
bro.
want me to tell her to come out?
Hold up, man. Hold up, right there. Damn. Man.
She takes
We gonna catch
Mom.
something slipping.
Yeah.
Reset, come out.
Reset, come out. Headshot. Oh, I got one here.
So,
One here. Hold on. Right
Oh, watch this video.
thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Everybody spam up chill. Spam up chill right now, bro. Yo, that shit gave him a headache. Yo, that gave him a headache, bro.
Y'all see that? So, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.